Welcome back, everybody, to Lazarus Botanicals and our live continuation of our tests and videos that we love to do and bring to you guys at least once to twice a week. Again, if this is the first time viewing our video footage, you can find us, if you haven't already, on YouTube at Lazarus Botanicals, on Facebook at Lazarus Botanicals, on Instagram at Lazarus Botanicals, as well as on our website, LazarusBotanicals.com. Very cool video you guys are about to watch. This is really just showing you guys the difference of the root base between H2O and our Lazarus Botanicals all-natural root formula. Again, we didn't have any results from the national leading brand and from the local leading brand, both of which are chemically induced and chemically controlled. So we will be doing another test, as this video states, next spring to early summer, so look forward to that. But without delay, let's get into the video. Thanks, guys. Hope you appreciate it.
Hello again, folks. We're here today not so much to look at the growth, although the growth, as you can see, is amazing. But today what I wanted to do was to take the lettuce out of the pots and just to check out the root system, because that's very important, and it is one of the things that our product does very well, is create a very strong and healthy root system. So I think what I'll do first is, still nothing in the leading brands, but we kind of knew that from last time. What I think I'll do is just go ahead and try the H2O first, see what the root system is on that. So we're just going to dump it all out here. Wow. It's very hard to see this because the root system on these are very, very tiny. Let me turn the water on and I'm going to rinse that off. And then we'll take a look at the roots after they've just been washed off. Now, as you can see on here, the root system has gone down quite a ways. They're very small roots, but they have gone in quite a ways in here. So let's just rinse this all this dirt off. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see the roots. And as you can see, the H2O pot has quite a bit of roots. Very nice system there. Very healthy. And so as you can see, we have quite a bit of roots there. Very healthy. I will move this out of the way. I will go grab the Lazarus Botanical pot and see how that is looking. If it looks anything like the top, you can see where the lettuce itself is. Very impressive. I mean, it goes down quite a ways. I'm gonna try to do this without damaging the whole pot. There we go. There, that was probably... Okay, well, you can see that the root system for this kind of goes all the way down to the end of the pot. On part of it here, at least. You can see the little roots. All right. Now we'll start adding some water to this and see how nice that root system is. And you can see the lettuce is just gorgeous. And here you can see a very nice root system. Very thick. And as you can see, very healthy root system, very long in its length. If you go to pull these out, you wind up pulling all the small roots out, so that's why I just dumped the whole basket. And you can see all the nice roots in here. But that's the part that I really wanted to see, was just how strong the plants were going to be. It'll do this with every kind of plant you use it on. So as you can see, very, very healthy root system. We're doing wonderful. Now again, this next spring we're going to go ahead and do this, revisit this whole thing, because we're not really sure what happened with the leading brands, but they didn't do anything. I don't know if it was just the fact that it, I really have no idea. It makes no sense to me that water and Lazarus Botanicals would grow, but theirs did not. So we're going to do it again next year, just to revisit our results on this, to see, you know, exactly what happened, what went wrong. You know, next year we'll use just one bag of seeds, you know, one packet of seeds, so that all of them come out of the same packet. Everything was treated the same amount of water, the same amount of sunshine, the same amount of the nutrients that we gave one. You know, we did use the same ratio and everything. So we don't know what caused it, but as you can see, really didn't do much. It didn't do anything, period. So thanks again. We will be doing more and more videos. I guess I've been elected to be the one to do those, to be the voice of the videos. So we'll be doing more and more of those with all the different tests that we make. You all have a great day. We'll see you next time.